Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Sign into Notebook LM using your school email and complete the 5-minute setup. Choose a model and set a memory limit of 3 notebooks to start. Link your cloud drive and enable autosave for one source of truth. Create 3 starter prompts: topic, format, and reading level before you begin. Adjust access so only you and approved classmates can view notebooks. Use a consistent naming convention with course code and due date to organize notes and drafts. Start every research session with 3 clear prompts: question, scope, and citations needed. Ask Notebook LM to scan 3 sources and summarize key points in bullet form. Request inline citations and include page or paragraph numbers when available. Use the model to generate a 200 to 300 word draft paragraph from those bullets. Export summarized notes to Google Docs or PDF for submission or citation checks. Keep a running bibliography of all sources with titles, authors, and URLs. Schedule a 10-minute review and 2 revisions before final submission to refine clarity. Use Notebook LM to create practice flashcards from your notes with 10 items each. Generate a study quiz of 15 questions to test recall and reinforce learning. Ask for suggestions to simplify complex sentences down to 1/4 of their length. Export final draft and run a plagiarism check before you submit the assignment to ensure originality. Save version history and label final as Draft 1, Draft 2, and Final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.